CW Papersystems grew a lot since 2002. We collected about 13 brands under one umbrella. And with those brands, there came a lot of product with it. So our portfolio is pretty broad. Our standard traditional product line is the stationery, which is exercise books and spiral-bound books and machines which are building those books for students and pupils. Those machines are a part of our portfolio. Another part where we are partner is a security business. So we are partnering within banknote sheeting and passport production. So a very special niche market, obviously, but also very important for us. Then we also reach into a complete different business, which is RFID technology, where we produce machines to build the RFID tags, which are then showing up in clothes, soon also in luggage, and in other applications where tracking is important. Now we will have also folio sheeters, so we are cutting reels to sheets. And with that we have folio sheeters for large size sheeting, and we have cut size sheeting, which is small A4 paper or A3 paper, which you have in a printer. Also, this is a market which we cover traditionally. We typically sheet and pack our products. Additionally, we have products which are focusing on the folding carton market, a market which is growing significantly and where we are supplying machines to convert also board into sheets or into boxes. As Papersystems, we are focusing a lot on being around for a long time, being there for the customers, being in the region, which means service is an important factor for our potential customers. Parts availability is an important factor to keep the machines running, to have uptime for our customers. And we are playing the eternal game, which means we are financially stable. We will be a partner in 5 years, in 10 years, in 50 years. And we have been partners with many of our customers for already 40, 50 years. So that is one of our key strengths. Obviously, we're also an innovation driver. We develop new technology in all these different portfolio aspects, which I described before. And we are working with our customers to drive innovation, to understand mega trends, and to develop new technologies with them. So Drupa is for us like the Olympic Games. Every 4 years, traditionally, it happens for the print and paper industry. This year we had to wait 8 years, so we are totally excited to be here again at Drupa, and we have a lot of plans and a lot of news to show. One exhibit which we will have is our so-called Questec sheeter, also one of the brands which we added to our portfolio a few years ago. That sheeter covers converting of specialty paper, which means very lightweight paper. Example could be a pharma leaflet. These folded sheeters which you have in the boxes for the medication, which nobody really reads, but it's an important factor. We also cover label industry or very thin materials like envelope paper, the window paper. This sheeter can do everything between really lightweight paper, film, up to folding carton sheets. And we are very excited because it's a very compact machine. It's very user-friendly. Obviously, you push a button and run a new product, and changeover time is quick, and it doesn't touch the paper. It has a new concept of transporting paper through the machine by air stream versus belts, which is a traditional way. So no marking, no jams, no nothing in that respect. So it's really something which is new, which you have to see and believe with your own eyes. Yeah, that is a real customer success story. One of the statements the owner or the general manager of this plant made is, it's too good to only have one Questec. So this sheeter obviously adds a lot of value for this customer. They have a production of different kinds of paper, very special papers. They have very short order sizes, which means they have to change a lot. On a traditional sheeter, it's very cumbersome because you have many webs typically which you need to convert thin paper. So with that Questec, obviously only has one web and it's easy to change. And with the short order changes, he is constantly able to adjust and doesn't need to change 6 reels, for example. Also, using that one sheeter and the additional sheeter which they bought now helps them to match different orders and optimize their production flow. And it also offers them to offer a broader range to their customers, a different range of different products. Like there's cut-to-register papers, which means they need watermark papers and security papers on one sheeter, where they can run traditional pharma leaflet paper on the other sheeters. So they can optimize their production flow and also have same technology next to each other, where one operator ideally can run both sheeters, which is unique in the industry. Typically, you always need one operator per sheeter or even two per sheeter. Here we have maybe one for two sheeters. So that is efficient. It also speaks to the trend that it's difficult to find operators in the industry to work shifts and so on. So these were the main drivers, besides many little technical aspects of the machine. But that was something where we feel with our innovation, with our technology, we bring to the booth at Drupa. We're excited to show that. We're excited to show also the different products we can run. But this is not only the only thing which we will show at Drupa. We have also other products. One very important topic which we will cover is folding carton. This is the packaging industry. That's the boxes in the supermarkets which you see, or in the parfumeries, where you have, let's say, also nice packages, and they need to be converted. So we are a solution provider also for the folding carton industry.